Hey guys, in this video we're going to be discussing how to delete transaction history on the Bank of America app. Now look, when you launch the Bank of America app, let's say you scroll down here, you choose any of your cards, for example, and then you go scroll down to your recent transactions. If you click here on view all, and let's say we click on this transaction, right? You'll see there's no option to actually delete the transaction history, okay? The only thing you can do is actually just dispute this transaction. Anything else is not possible. So we can go back here. Now let me explain why. Okay, a lot of people make these fake videos where they're trying to explain how to delete it because it's not possible. Bank of America is actually legally required, let's go back again, to, keep these transactions. Okay? As part of the Banking Act, they have to legally keep a transaction history. So it's not possible to do it. And if you appreciate this honesty, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.